Weh,
Hey,
apa ni? Tadi baru cakap amplifier now.
no continue the BTS.
Oh, BTS? Oh, behind the sound. I never thought of BTS. So this is BTS, okay? So
This is a new product. Just landed in Malaysia.
just landed in Malaysia.
Yeah.
What? New flagship?
Nobody wants to play this kind of modification already. Now we go for OEMs already.
OEM.
Yeah. So all of these are speakers, OEM speakers, fully plug and play for Tesla.
Tesla.
Model 3 lah, Model 3.
Model 3. So means take out from Model 3,
Yeah.
plug it in,
Yeah.
jalan.
Yeah. It's the full range of speakers.
Just for speakers only.
Yeah. Then of course you can add the DSP on top.
So I believe this boy is active sub?
So no, this is a subwoofer with box.
Subwoofer with box.
It's not an active sub.
But can power lah.
Yes.
Original Tesla amplifier, everything.
Depends. Tesla have two models, so
Okay.
you have to see which model you are driving. So let's say you don't have those channels to play this, you can actually add the DSP, then just drive it.
Oh. SSDSP 16?
Can, no problem.
Kasui, better right, I think. Guide me through, Bernard.
Okay,
what's all
so
this thing?
for Tesla, of course, this is the MT9. It's an 8-inch subwoofer with the enclosure. So they have those mounting points for the Tesla. So you can actually mount it, not just put it like that. There are mounting points, original mounting points for the subwoofer.
Oh, okay.
Because like those premium models, if not mistaken, they have a subwoofer behind also. You can upgrade those subwoofer.
Wow, so this one is just like a nicely fitted in.
Yeah,
Tap, you lock it in.
yeah,
Here we go.
yeah.
Wow.
And
Oh,
then
ready made. Okay.
okay, for the front we have these front speakers. So you have this two-way. It's a mid-range and tweeter for the upper part.
Ooh. A bit far lah, can't see. Then I share picture. Follow my page to see the real picture.
So
more detail. Huh?
So they'll have the plug and play cables. So you don't need to actually cut the wires or anything. You just plug it in.
Huh?
Yeah,
Like that only?
yeah.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay.
The mounting points are everything
According to the size of the car, the Tesla 3
mounting
Model
point.
3, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The Twitter also.
Yes. So the tweeter you can see for the tweeters. They will also have those grooves here, right? You can actually lock everything in place.
Wow.
Without adding any extra holes in your car.
Ooh. Chop. Oh, not bad. Oh, so this is the front side lah, I believe.
Yeah, for the upper part.
From the upper part.
So for the mid bass, we do also have the mid bass.
You have the mid bass. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
This
big
is the MT8.
MT8.
The subwoofer is the MT9.
Okay. Wow. Oh. Hey, berapa? Wih, berapa inch?
8 inch. Eh?
Wow.
8 or 7? 8 I think.
I think it's 8 lah.
I never measure
I
lah.
think it's 8 lah.
It's called MT8, should be 8 lah.
You got nice design, man.
But you fit the Tesla nicely.
Fittings here, all the points. 4 points.
The sockets even.
Socket, just plug it in.
Yeah.
Wow, not bad the design. The design not bad Oh, heavy also Not just because of the plastic, but the speaker also heavy Plug and play.
Plug and play.
Then jalan.
And then next will be the center. Just put it aside. So this is the center.
Ooh.
MT4. No, this is the rear. I show you
It's
the
the
rear first.
rear.
Yeah.
Oh, another rear speaker.
There's the rear speakers for the Tesla also.
This looks like that model also.
Yeah, but without the
Similar.
tweeter.
Without the tweeter.
These are
Wow.
for the rears.
Okay, the rears. Straightforward. Eh,
And
berapa inch ah? 3 inch ah?
4, I think.
3.5 eh? 4.
I think around 4 already.
Eh, why they don't come out 4 inch for my car one?
Install the Tesla lah.
Don't want lah. I'm more up level sikit punya.
And then next will be the center.
The last will be the center. Oh. Hey, got tweeter also no?
Yeah. So the center comes in a pair
It comes in a pair.
of tweeter and a mid-range.
Wow. Oh, so cute lah, this one. Look a cute boy, man, this one.
Fully plug and play also.
Fully plug and play, man. Wow. Bring the car in, open the door panel, tap, 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 screw, screw, screw.
Yes.
Got him.
No, you can add a DSP, you can do soundproof, you still can do those kind of things.
If you want to next level, you can add all these boys.
So without major modification, you can also upgrade your Tesla speakers.
Ooh.
We,
So, I think I saw in overseas, Europe, many of them was installing all this Tesla.
Yeah.
So finally it's here in Malaysia.
hmm.
So Tesla owner, you know, if you want STEG, you want to try different type of speaker, you can look for STEG. Wow, this is just plug and play, simple, straight to the point. If you just want to change the speaker because you think the Tesla speaker is horrible or whatever, you can try STEG. STEG is always there for sound quality. So Tesla owners, you are always welcome to come to Premium Audio Works to look for Bernard to get more in detail.
Or even if you want to touch it, you can
Come
over.
feel it. You can come and feel it.
Everything is ready.
This is a one set solution. Of course, we have Bernard also have the DSP amplifier. If you have a bigger thing, you want to add on more amplifiers, it's up to you. But a one-stop solution for Tesla is here in Premium Audio Works. So Bernard, I hope to see a few Tesla owners come. Remember to invite me to listen, to enjoy this together.
Of course.
Okay, thank you, Bernard. You can search for Bernard Premium Audio Works at Google. You can get his contact there if you need any more queries about Tesla's plug and play speakers, or even other cars. You want to add in other things for your other cars, not necessarily EV. Other car products also he has it here. So yeah, that's all for today's BTS. BTS S, because behind the sound, STEG. Right, see you. Thank you, Bernard.